Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to install Crisp on your React app. We will use the official Crisp Web SDK, copy your website ID, add a small Crisp component, and load the chatbox directly inside your React application. So let's get started. Inside your Crisp workspace, go to Settings, then Workspace Settings and Setup and Integrations. Then open the chatbox setup instructions. Here you will find the Crisp script used to connect your website to your workspace. For a React app, what you need is your website ID. So copy this value because we will use it in the React component to load the correct Crisp chatbox. Now open your React project. In your terminal, install the official Crisp Web SDK package. So you can use this command, I put it in the description. This package lets you load the Crisp chatbox from your React app and also gives you access to more advanced SDK features if you need them later. Now create a small component dedicated to Crisp. For example, you can name it CrispChat. Inside this component, import useEffect from React and import Crisp from the Crisp Web SDK. Then configure Crisp with your website ID and make sure you replace the placeholder with your real website ID. This component doesn't need to display anything on the page. It only runs in the browser and loads the Crisp chatbox when your app starts. Once your Crisp component is ready, open your main app component. For example, App.tsx or App.jsx. Then import your Crisp component and render it inside your app. You can place it near the top of your app layout, before the rest of your content. This makes Crisp available across your React application. Now start your React app locally. Open your website in the browser, and you should see the Crisp chatbox appear on the page. Send a test message from the chatbox, and then open your Crisp inbox. If the message appears in your inbox, your React installation is complete. If the chatbox does not appear, first check that your website ID is correct. Then make sure you replace the placeholder website ID in the component, and also make sure the Crisp component is actually loaded inside your main app component. If everything looks fine but the chatbox still doesn't appear, restart your development server and refresh the page. And if you are testing on a local environment, make sure your browser doesn't block the script with an extension or strict privacy setting. Once Crisp is installed, you can also use the Web SDK for more advanced use cases. For example, you can set user information, force a local, delay chatbox loading, configure session continuity, or trigger chatbox actions from your app. If you need these options, check the Web SDK resources linked in the description below. That's it, Crisp is now installed on your React app. Now if you want to customize your Crisp chatbox or learn how to fully set up your Crisp workspace for customer support, you can check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.